Read like mad and read everything. Everything connects sooner or later. Michael Wex talks about how much traditional religious Jewish background you need in order to understand the humor in Yiddish literature. You know, you don't do it just to be religious. Maybe you don't want to be religious, but to get the jokes, you have to know this stuff. I would say apply that broadly to, you know, literatures in other languages, to American Jewish literature written in English, to other English literature, which informs some of the American Jewish literature as well, because you know, its writers were reading that in college, and reading it to learn English, and reading it because they were fascinated with it. Just keep reading.